Hello and welcome to Adventures in TV Land, another snack review. Today, our different item that we're going to try, Lemon Crisp Kit Kats. Now, the Lemon Crisp Kit Kat here, these are the miniature, it's a package of the miniatures, but I saw these in the aisle at the local grocery store. I'd never seen these before. So we're going to open this up and see what these things taste like. So there we have it, the miniature, the Lemon Crisp Kit Kat. Lemon Crisp Kit Kat, Lemon Crisp Kit Kat, Lemon Crisp Kit Kat. See if this tastes anything like a lemon crisp. It smells lemony. Do get that flavor of lemon there. So these indeed, the Lemon Crisp Kit Kats. They do taste like a lemon crisp. Of course, it's got the yellow coating on there, the lemony coating. I like lemon things, lemon flavored food. Let me paraphrase that. I don't really like lemons per se, but lemon bars, lemon cake, when there's a touch of lemon in something, I tend to like it for the most part. These they taste just like a kind of like a lemon crisp cookie or a lemon bar. It tastes just like that. So the Lemon Crisp Kit Kats. Would I purchase these again? Yes, I would purchase these again. I don't know if they can quite compete with the original Kit Kat, but if you're looking for something a little bit different, a little bit springy, there you have the Lemon Crisp Kit Kat in grocery stores nearby you now, and stores just in time for spring. They're the spring season. So this has been another adventure in TV land. Well, I guess on a scale, but a scale 1 to 10, I guess, if I need to rank this. I don't know, I'd rank this about a 6.5 or a 7. That's good. That's very good. I liked it. This has been another adventure in TV land. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.